To clean or replace the air filter on your Phoenix 200, follow these steps. Place the transmission in gear. Lock the parking brake. Turn the seat latch and lift up to remove the seat. Clean the area around the air filter cover. Unfasten the 4 airbox cover clips and remove the airbox cover. Inspect the cover seal for damage and replace if necessary. Loosen the clamp and remove the air filter. Remove the pre-filter from the air filter and inspect the pre-filter. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Clean the pre-filter with soapy water and let air dry. Notice, if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Wipe down the air box. Install the pre-filter on the main filter. Install the main filter in the air box. The air filter should be fully seated on the intake tube. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Tighten the clamp. Install the airbox cover and secure the spring clamps. Reinstall the seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.